Hello, friends. Today, our topic is investment banking, written by Mayank Gaur. Investment banking is a branch of banking that deals with creating capital for individuals, companies, and governments. Investment banking acts as an intermediary between issues of security such as stock and bonds and the investing public, helping companies and government raise capital by underwriting and selling securities. Investment banking also provides a wide range of financial services to their clients, including mergers and acquisitions, corporate finance, and restructuring. Investment banking typically works with large institution investors such as pension funds, mutual funds, and hedge funds, as well as high net worth individuals. They help these clients buy and sell securities in financial markets and provide advice on investment strategies. Investment banking is a high competitive and fast paced industry that requires strong financial knowledge and analytical skills and the ability to work under pressure. It is also a high paying industry with many investment bankers earning significant salaries and bonuses. However, it is important to note that investment banking can also be demanding and stressful career path with long hours and intense workloads. Here are some investment banking courses that may be worth considered in 2023. Investment banking certification program offered by the New York Institute of Finance (NYIF). Investment banking course offered by the London School of Business and Finance (LSBF). Investment banking course offered by the Watson School of University of Pennsylvania. 4. Investment banking course offered by the Investment Banking Institute (IBI). Finance modeling and valuation courses offered by the Investment Banking Institute (IBI). Investment banking course offered by the Chartered Institute for Securities and Investment (CISI). Investment banking courses offered by the Investment Banking Academy. 8th, corporate finance and investment banking course offered by the European School of E-commerce Economics. Investment banking course offered by the University of Oxford SAD Business School. Merger and acquisition course offered by the Investment Banking Institute (IBI). It's important to know that the best investment banking courses for you will depend on your individual need, goals, and career aspirations. I recommended researching different courses, speaking with industry's professional, and considering your own strength and interests before making a decision. Investment bank provides a wide range of financial services to clients, including corporation, governments, and high net worth individuals. Here are some of the main functions of investment banks. First, underwriting security. Investment bank act as a intermediary between issuers of securities such as stocks and bonds and the investing public. They help companies and government raise capital by underwriting and selling securities. Second, merger and acquisition. Investment banks provide advice and guidance to clients on mergers and acquisitions transactions, including identifying potential targets, negotiating deals terms, and arranging finance. Third, corporate finance. Investment bank assess client in raising capital through a variety of methods, including issuing debts or equity securities, as well as providing advice on capital structure and financial strategy. Fourth, sales and trading. Investment bank act as a intermediary in financial market, buying and selling securities on behalf of client. They also provide market research and analysis to client to help them make informed investment decisions. Fifth, asset management. Some investment banks also manage assets for clients, including hedge funds, private equity firms, and institutional investors. Sixth, risk management. Investment banks help clients manage financial risk through a variety of methods, including derivatives, insurance, and other financial instruments. Overall, investment banks plays a critical role in the global economy by facilitating capital formation, supporting corporate growth and development, and helping clients manage financial risk. Investors need a variety of skills to be successful. Here are some of the key skills that investors should have. Financial literacy. Investors should have a good understanding of financial concepts such as accounting, financial statement, and valuations. They should also familiar with the different types of investments available and the risk associated with each. Analytical skills. Investors needs to be able to analyze financial data and make informed decisions based on the analysis. This involves being able to identify trends, evaluate financial ratios, and interpret market data. Research skill. Investors should have strong research skills to help them identify potential investor opportunities. This includes being able to gather and evaluate information from a variety of sources, including financial news, company reports, and market data. Risk management skills. Investors need to be able to access and manage risk. This involves understanding the risk associated with different types of investment and being able to balance risk and rewards. Patience and discipline. Successful investors are often patient and disciplined. They understand that investing is a long term process and that is important to stay focused on their goals and not to be swayed by short term market fluctuations. Communication skills. Investors should have a strong communication skills to help them explain their investment strategies and decisions to others. This includes being able to clearly articulate the risk and potential return associated with different types of investment. Seventh, emotional intelligence. Investors should have emotional intelligence to help them manage their own emotions and respond appropriately to the emotions of others. This can be particularly important during the period of market volatility when emotions can run high. Overall, investing requires combination of financial knowledge and analytical skills, research ability, risk management skills, patience, discipline, communication skills, and emotional intelligence. To become an investment banker, a strong education background and relevant work experience are typically required. Here are some of the qualifications that are commonly sought after the banking employers. Bachelor degree. Most investment banking firms requires a bachelor degree in a relevant field such as finance, economic, or business. Some employees may also consider candidates with degree in other fields such as mathematics, engineering, or computer science. Master degree. While not always require master degree in business administration or master degree in finance can be advantageous, particularly for those seeking more serious positions in the investment banking. Relevant work experience. Employers typically prefer candidates with the relevant work experience, such as internship or entry-level positions in finance or related field. Finance certification. Certifications as the Financial Analyst (CFA) or the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA) license are not mandatory but can be advantageous in demonstrating proficiency in the finance analysis and regulatory companies. Analytical skill. Strong analytical skills are essential for investing bankers as they must be able to analyze financial statements, access market trends, and evaluate investment opportunities. 6. Communication skills. Investment bankers must be able to communicate effectively with clients, colleagues, and other stakeholders. This include being these include being able to present complex financial information in a clear and concise manner. Attention to details. Investment bankers must have a high level of attention to detail to ensure accuracy in the financial modeling, evaluation, and other critical aspects of investment banking. Overall, investment banking is a high complexity field that requires a combination of education, experience, and skills. A strong education background in finance, economics, or business relevant work experience, financial certification, and strong analytical communication and attention to detail skills can be helpful in pursuing a career as an investment banker. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will be sharing such interesting videos and informative videos to you. Thank you.